In this session, we're going to cover a criminal law multiple choice question. So I'm going to put the question on the screen, pause the video, read the question, pick your answer choice, and then we'll talk about the answer together. So here the call to question asks, is the doctor guilty of larceny? So ask yourself, what are the elements of larceny? Larceny is the trespassory taking and carrying away of personal property of another with the intent to permanently deprive them thereof. Here, the doctor took and carried away personal property, duct tape, of another, the physician's, with the intent to permanently deprive her thereof because the doctor was going to use the duct tape for her own mask, and in fact did do so. So the answer is going to be yes, unless the doctor can raise a defense. So A says no because she can raise the defense of necessity. Necessity will be a good defense if somebody reasonably believes that their criminal conduct is necessary to prevent a greater harm. And she might say, yeah, I wanted to save lives, so this was necessary. But in reality, she did not have to resort to criminal conduct. Okay, she could have asked the physician if she could borrow her duct tape. She could have simply kept retying her mask. She didn't have to resort to criminal conduct to avoid a greater harm. So A will not be a good answer. B raises the defense of consent, saying the physician impliedly consented because she didn't say anything. But consent's not going to be a good defense either, because at the time the doctor took the duct tape, it was trespassory. Okay, she didn't get the permission. She did it in a trespassory manner. So this implied consent defense isn't going to work. And D says yes unless the court determines she acted with a pure motive. A court does not take into account motive when determining if someone commits a crime. They need to be able to raise a legal defense.